This is why you need to know about hiccups, because they're more fascinating than you think. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, a big muscle that helps you breathe, contracts suddenly. This causes a quick intake of breath, which makes your vocal cords close up, creating that hic sound. But why does it happen? Eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, or even getting excited can trigger your diaphragm to spasm. It's like your body's way of hitting the reset button. So next time you hiccup, just remember, your body's having a mini workout. Pretty cool, right? Hit like and subscribe for more fun science facts.